her up to temperature. Do this every week. I've been totally idle. I've ran the cable across there, down, put a grommet in the dashboard, took the glove box out and ran the cables in behind. I've also ran the reverse wire cable, reverse camera cable, right to the back door. 4-pin reverse camera. So I'll get that drilled into the roof the first decent day I get, and the first day I've got time. Then I can get the ceiling up after I get the solar panel up again. One more dry day, decent day. So I've got the inside of the basin sorted out. Bonded in a piece of plastic to the bottom of it, fixed the holes, stripped the tap down and put new washers and new O-rings and stuff, and got that all. So I'll leave the van sort of running and ticking over there into the garage. Somebody sitting there. I've lost a good bit of time this weekend and whatnot. I've been fitting and on for my next door neighbour, and so we got the brackets and everything on yesterday, and then the rain started to stop play, so we'll get back to it today. I've literally just came out. As I say, I don't really get to come out in the morning because I do shopping and stuff, take the wife to her mum's, so go back in. That's the van up to temperature. Wind her down, shut her off. There you go. So yeah, it's got this insulation down to take the cables and that, so I'm going to re-insulate with proper stuff instead of that that polystyrene. So that's that. So then we had a bit of a clean up, gave everything a quick tidy up and a clean up. I had another mess about with this. I took the medicine cabinet down. As I say, I fixed that inside, so you can't see it because obviously you need to take the basin out to see. But yeah, it's all hooked up. We now have water to the sink. I'll go and put, there you go, switch the pump on. Just moving my tools. Quite good pressure as well. The air bulbs, obviously it's not been switched on, so once the lines are full, it runs fine. And then to empty it, you just tip up the basin. It drops into the channel below and goes out the waste hose. Runs through the waste hose, which is just coiled up at the back at the moment. Comes out through the hole, down through the bottom, under the van, and across to the wastewater tank, which is under the sink, underneath the chassis. Just switch the pump back off, and we'll get back to that at another time. So another little mission. I cut some little trims, just got to sand these up, and they're to cover the broken mirror. So there you go. They'll glue to the glass, a bit of Sikaflex. I'll get the good lady to paint them first, and that's it. Crack gone, as they say. So yeah. So I got that done. What else? Let me think. Oh yeah, also cut the door for the waste container for the toilet. It couldn't go out the side of the van because there's a massive big support structure on the side of the van, so I wasn't going to undermine that. So it's just as easy to come out the side, come out the inside. Talking of the devil, there's the good lady phoning to be picked up. So I won't bore you with telephone conversation. So because I'm in the van, and the radio's on, my phone connects to the radio and goes on to Bluetooth. So anyway, that's up, ready to be picked up. So that's the end of the video basically. Simba, he knows what's going on. As I say, I'm going to make a door out of that. I'll get some little butt hinges and put hinges on that panel, and there's the cassette pulls out there. That's also how you fill the water container as well, that little flip out bit at the top. I'll show you better at another time. But as you seen, that's the wife ready to be picked up, so I'll go and pick Sandra up, and we'll continue this another day. So basically that's it for the day. So from the wee man there and myself, take care out there people, and we'll catch up with you when we catch up with you. Ta-ra for now.